Hello, Lincoln Terrier Nation. Allow me to welcome you to our new virtual open house. With that being said, we want to thank each and every one of you for participating in this wonderful virtual event. Things have been quite different since the pandemic, and therefore we did not want to not allow you to have the opportunity to meet all of your teachers. With that being said, the way you will do it will be a little bit different this year. You will have your child simply log into Canvas and go through their entire class roster. That's right, in their class roster, you'll be able to see a quick video of your teacher. Now, if you have not seen the teachers yet thus far this year, it will only be a quick message for you just to get to see your teacher. With that being said, we are open and available for emails, and they will respond within 48 hours. So that will be the protocols for our open house. So welcome to open house. We have a couple of bits of information that we want to share with you, and I'm going to start off first with saying that Lincoln is attempting to become the first secondary leader in the school. That's right, we believe in the 7 habits of highly effective people, and we're going to infuse that into our daily lesson and daily routines. We have some wonderful, wonderful partners that have ensured that we have this opportunity available in a digital platform this year. So your children may start becoming more proactive. They may find ways to encourage you to make it a win-win situation. I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Bell, and he has a couple of things that he wants to inform you of at this time.
So at Lincoln, we're a high flex school. Now, that's a term that we didn't use at all in education prior to this, especially at Lincoln. And it's a term that at some point we're going to go back to a regular school environment. But we recognize that there's a lot of variables at play this school year. And we wanted to make sure that we went with a model that accommodated students no matter what's going on at their home, in their personal situations, with a digital environment, or in the school. So with that being said, I want to thank all of our parents that have done an amazing job of making sure that if their student is feeling ill, that they make sure that they keep them at home so that they can continue on with their same classes, with their same teachers in the digital environment. Also, I want to thank parents that are realizing that maybe at home is not the best model for their student and that they're sending them back to school. So currently, we have about 400 students that are in the digital learning environment and about 300 students that are here in the brick and mortar version of the school. If you are interested in converting your student either from a brick and mortar to digital learning or digital learning back to brick and mortar, please send me an email and let me know, and we will let you know a time that we can make that happen. But that being said, we are going to have students with the exact same schedule in either format. We also have some teachers that are expressing that sometimes their Zooms are going down. If that does happen, please make sure that you email your teacher and let them know of the concerns you are having with any type of tech issues, and then they will let an administrator know if a change needs to be made on their attendance. Please email the teachers first, and then the teachers will let the administrators know if we need to make changes on attendance.
And now Mr. Johnson is going to enlighten us on some of the protocols and procedures here at the school, as well as his continued passion to make sure you get your textbooks.
Greetings, folks. It was nice to meet many of the digital parents during the textbook or consumable pass out. If you didn't make it over, fear not, just shoot me an email and we'll work it out. So you may want to touch base with your child's teachers first, though, as many of them are using their own resources to see if they're actually, if you need to make the trip. Just wanted to mention the protocols and procedures we have in place to keep your children safe. But it's going to take a team effort here. So thankfully the students are coming with masks. We've split the hallways. We're trying to observe social distancing. They're separated in the cafeteria. We limit how many can be in the restroom at any given time. But before and after school, some students, there's still not social distancing. So it's a very small portion, but we need you to really instill in your children the importance of trying to stay safe during this extraordinary time. Thank you very much for your time. Mr. Strappy?
Just keep in mind, we're doing all of these things to make sure that your children are safe, as well as the faculty and staff here on our campus. We want to make sure that everybody is aware of everything that's going on our campus. And if you have any questions or concerns, please look at the several videos that we have placed on our website. They're still there, they're still available. Also, this open house will be up online and visible right through this first semester. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us here at Lincoln. Mr. Bell, how can they help out or contribute if they are interested?
I'm so glad you asked. Now, I'm pretty biased, but I think that we have the best PTA in Alachua County. If you are interested in helping out, please make sure that you contact our PTA. That's Miss Johnson. Her email address is listed here below. And let her know that you would like to sign up for our PTA. We've also had many parents that have said they want to contribute and help out financially, recognizing that there's been a lot of financial demands on schools this school year, whether it's through digital platforms that we can provide our students, or whether it's through purchasing things like HEPA filters for our classrooms, which we have 2 of in each classroom. So there's lots of ways that you can get involved, lots of ways that you can help out. Please let us know and stay in contact with us about it.
And to simply close out, remember, we are concerned about your child, and we're concerned about our staff here at Lincoln. But we're gonna do what's in their best interest to make sure that they're taken care of. Every child always at Lincoln, that's not just a motto, that's the way of life. And remember, here at Lincoln, teachers love to teach, and students love to learn. Let's make it a great, wonderful evening.